Thank you, HIPLEX, for welcoming us, for invitation. And I am Swetha from SP Ultraflex, Mumbai. We are here in Mira Road, and we are the manufacturer of slitting and rewinding machines, which help us in a slit and rewind the machines. Like you can go for the packaging food or Ashirwad atta, lace, kurkure. So these are the things which we use to slit the machine. So for the slitting, we use the manufacturer machines. We have almost a 30 type of machines here, and we had a very great experience here in a HIPLEX. And I just like Hyderabad also too. As an organization, I am working in this SP Ultraflex is a one of the leading organization in the manufacturer industry. Established in 1985, and with a very good strength of the employees, like more than 100 employees we have. So yeah, that's all. Yeah.